My name is Intana Shakira binti Radwan and my metric number is 2023378817.
Name is Fatin Akila Hanani binti Zainal Ahmadi and my matrix number is 2023127147.
My name is Nisha Tidaja Azwa. My matrix number 2023119111.
My name is Nuri Izzat Akila binti Muhammad Azmi. My matric number is 2023103113.
As you can see, the car is overspeeding at 35 km per hour.
This is above the car limit speed of 30 km per hour. Road safety audit, which is speeding. This road is a high activity zone where vehicles interact with a large number of vulnerable road users, specifically students waiting at this bus stop and students crossing the road. We conducted spot speed study by using radar gun. First, switch on the radar gun to check it has a battery or not, and then wait until the display screen shows pass, then it ready to go. Based on the observed speed pattern, an appropriate speed limit can be suggested to suit the road environment and user behavior.
To solve this, we recommended installing clear speed limit sign in accordance with UITM guideline alongside physical measures like transverse yellow bars and raised pedestrian crossing to force deceleration. These interventions are expected to lower the 85% percentile speed and reduce the risk of accident, specifically increasing the pedestrian survival probability to 90% by aligning vehicle speed with the 30 km per hour design standard.
The next design safety element is road surface. The first issue relates to it is extensive surface revealing and fail detectors, which are classified as significant distress under JKR 20709/2060-92 Manual on Pavement Condition Rating. This defect creates an uneven riding surface that compromises vehicle stability, particularly for two-wheel motorists. To mitigate this, a mill and pave procedure is recommended in accordance with JKR/SPJ/2000X-S4. This involves removing the deteriorated top layer and replacing it with a fresh asphalt concrete wearing course to restore the required skid resistance and surface profile. Furthermore, the audit highlighted a major safety risk regarding unlevel utility cover. It showed a drainage grating and manhole that have become sunken and detached from the surrounding asphalt. This discrepancy in height violates the levelness requirements specific in JKR standard specific for road work, as it can cause sudden shock to vehicle or lead to mechanical failure. The proposed mitigation is the reinstatement of ironwork, where the frames are adjusted to be flush with the final road level and reinforced with high-strength bedding material. The next design safety element is road surface. The first issue relates to it is extensive surface revealing and fail detectors, which are classified as significant distress under JKR 200709/2060-92 Manual on Pavement Condition Rating. This defect creates an uneven riding surface that compromises vehicle stability, particularly for two-wheel motorists. To mitigate this, a mill and pave procedure is recommended in accordance with JKR/SPJ/2000X-S4. This involves removing the deteriorated top layer and replacing it with a fresh asphalt concrete wearing course to restore the required skid resistance and surface profile. Furthermore, the audit highlighted a major safety risk regarding unlevel utility cover. It showed a drainage grating and manhole that have become sunken and detached from the surrounding asphalt. This discrepancy in height violates the levelness requirements specific in JKR standard specific for road work, as it can cause sudden shock to vehicle or lead to mechanical failure. The proposed mitigation is the reinstatement of ironwork, where the frames are adjusted to be flush with the final road level and reinforced with high-strength bedding material.
So for the next element is roadside safety features. I'm proposing two solutions for the safety features to improve high traffic pedestrian areas, especially near bus stop and zebra lines. So for the issues, number one is speeding in the pedestrian zone.
Vehicles often travel too fast in areas where students and workers cross the road. This is most dangerous during peak hours, especially when the drivers are distracted.
We propose the installation of thicker yellow bars on the road surface for the traffic coming from DC and Section 7 towards Melati.
How it works? These bars provide a visual and physical alert to drivers and motorcyclists.
For the next issues is open drainage hazard.
Open roadside drainage poses fall risk for pedestrians, cyclists and motorcyclists. Currently, many students will cross this open drainage as a shortcut to the bus stop and Dataran Cendekia.
We propose of installation metal grating for the open drainage.
For the safety, it prevents people and light vehicles from falling into the drainage.
You can see here the critical problems under element visual aid, which is faded road marking. There are three consequences of this problem. First, increased accident risk, which is drivers may not clearly see lane boundaries and stop line, leading to collision, side swipes or sudden braking. Number two, driver confusion. Unclear marking make it difficult for drivers to know where to stop, merge or turn, especially at junction. Number three, higher risk at night. Faded marking are harder to see in rain or at night, reducing visibility and reaction time. To reduce this risk, first, road marking should be repainted and refreshed regularly. Number two, regular inspection and maintenance like conduct routine road audits to identify faded or damaged marking. Number three, prioritize high-risk areas. As an example, repaint marking first at junction, pedestrian crossing, school zone, sharp bends and narrow lane.